Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a screen flickering in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all right click on the start menu and go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, expand the display adapter and select the display adapter. Right click on update driver and click on search automatic from drivers. Click on close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that right click, go to your device manager, expand the display adapter, select the display adapter, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select the model and click next to continue. Click close it and close it. After doing this that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and after that go to your device manager, open the expand the display adapter, select a display adapter, right click on go to your properties and after go to your properties, click on drivers and make sure click on the rollback driver. Click on yes to continue and click on OK button. And after that close it. After doing this chat, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is there right click on a device manager, go to on a start menu and go to your device manager. After that click on expand the display adapter, right click on and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. And the next method is that go to your settings of your Windows and after doing this set go to your apps, click on apps and features and after doing this set uninstall the recent apps. If any recent apps install, then right click and uninstall the device and after that close it. And after doing this step, restart your computer and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.